In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an itinerary on Expedia in just 5 minutes. Sharing your travel plans with friends or family can be incredibly helpful, especially when coordinating trips. So, let's dive in and simplify this process together. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Expedia Philippines website. If you're unfamiliar with the URL, make sure you type in Expedia's official site address to get there safely. Once the page loads, the next step is to sign in. You'll find the Sign In option usually at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link to help you reset it. Once logged in, you'll be redirected back to the Expedia homepage. Now, it's time to head over to the Trip Planner section. On the homepage, you should see a menu or a link labeled Trips. Click on this to access your personal trip planner. This section is your all-in-one hub, where you can view your upcoming and past itineraries. Scroll through the list and select the specific trip itinerary you'd like to share. If it's a recent booking, it should appear near the top. With your trip selected, you'll see an overview of your travel plans. This includes flights, hotel bookings, car rentals, and any activities you've scheduled. Now, find and click on the Itinerary button. This will display all the detailed information for your trip, which is exactly what you'll be sharing. Next, within the itinerary view, look for the Share Your Trip option. It's typically an icon or button clearly marked, allowing you to send the itinerary details to others easily. Click on it, and you might be prompted with several ways to share your itinerary, such as via email or through a direct link. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. If you prefer email, ensure you've entered the correct email addresses to avoid missed communications. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Expedia itinerary. This feature is not only convenient for keeping your travel companions in the loop, but also an excellent way to back up your travel details. Remember, sharing your itinerary does not permit others to modify or manage your bookings. They'll only be able to see the information you've shared. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Enjoy planning your travels and safe journeys.